Welcome back to the four-wheel jamboree on World of Trucks today from Lima, Ohio. It is all about monster trucks as we head straight ahead into the semifinals, and that will bring up the Rammunition Dodge against the Big Dog, a big favorite everywhere he goes, Rick.
Rammunition has to be the favorite. Jeremy Dishman, Doug Nolte, an upset winner in the first round. Coming around here, it looks like that Ford. Good lead. Don't see anybody else in the background.
Problems, Rick, for the Rammunition. Jeremy Dishman shut it off back there, evidently unable to keep the truck fired.
Well, Doug Nolte going to use the opportunity, go ahead and become more familiar with both lanes of the race course, and he'll be your winner, Doug Nolte.
Let's go down now and check in with Doc Riley as they tow off the Rammunition.
Doug, I know you're one of those guys that likes to see a good close race, and that victory, he breaks or something goes wrong in that far lane, but didn't look like you let up and just coasted to victory.
No, you got to get out there and take your practice laps, as you say. I didn't even know he was broke. Dale yelled at me in the final corner there, on the radio. So, but I just wanted to, you got to feel that track out. Like I said, it's coming around though. It's getting a little evened out. So it's unfortunate that they broke. We had a little problem the other day, the same deal. So it seems to hit everybody. So we'll see what we can do in this next round.
Still in semifinal action, the Raminator will come up now with Mark Hall driving. He will face the Nightmare driven by Andy Hoffman.
Andy Hoffman in the Nightmare Chevrolet upset Dan Ruddy and Bigfoot in the first round, and Mark Hall, that bright red Raminator Dodge, took out the early Chevy of Kohler. Right now, the first turn, it looks very easily like Nightmare has the lead, but they still have that final S turn to close it up. Wide turn for the Nightmare. Raminator close, short turn.
And a clear win there by Mark Hall. As we go to the replay, Rick, let's take a look at the course. Now, it seems to be drying out quite a bit, and that's quite a change from when this race started.
And now let's go to Doc with Tim Hall, the crew chief on Raminator.
Raminator coming up against Nightmare, that was a pretty good race as well.
That was a really good race. Andy, he's been racing for 100 years, and I mean, he's tough everywhere we race with him, inside or outside. You never know with Andy. He's there, and he's a good friend of ours, and it's you hate to race your friends, but at the same time, somebody's got to win. So I'm just glad it was us.
As we head toward the finals, it will be Big Dog versus Raminator. It's time now for Product Highlight, which features some of the most interesting and innovative products available for your truck. Well, our Product Highlight today on World of Trucks comes to us from a company called Weston. Now, Bob West, we're going to find out exactly what is Weston and what do you have to offer for us.
Well, Weston is a manufacturer of truck accessories. We're located in St. James, Minnesota. We're a domestic manufacturer. We give out primarily 4 categories of products. We do full line of step-up products, probably the broadest range of step-up products. We've got the most complete line of front-end products, grill guards and things like that. We have a complete line of cargo management accessories for trucks and SUVs, as well as body protection, which includes bumpers, taillight guards, and fuel doors and things like that. So,
now you say our products. Do you actually manufacture these?
Yeah, we manufacture in the United States. We're complete from bending all of our seal products. We handle all of our coatings. We've got powder coat plating. We've got powder coat facilities as well as chrome plating facilities, all in St. James, Minnesota.
Okay, real quick, hottest product so far?
We've had a wide variety of front-end accessories and front-end products and grill guards for a while. People are looking for something a little bit smaller, but still get that rugged outdoor off-road look. Bull Bar it comes in 2 configurations. Chrome-plated stainless, which this one is, and basically what we're saying is we've got a stainless steel product, so you get the best of both worlds. You get the corrosion resistance of stainless, and then you get the bright looks and the easy maintenance of chrome-plated. We top it off with some plastic bushings on the product, which really differentiate it from other products out there, as well as a stainless steel. It's a brushed stainless steel skid plate, and that really sets it apart from other manufacturers. It's got light holes for easy mounting of auxiliary lights, and it's just a nice look on the front of trucks.
Thanks, Bob. Good job. Hot products for your trucks from Weston right here on the World of Trucks. And World of Trucks is being brought to you by Hallmark, built strong for the way you work and play. And by Rosen, visual solutions for complex environments.